Hi everybody, it's Miss Nicky here. How do you say hello to your friends? Do you give your friends a high five when you see them? Or maybe you like to give your friends a great big hug. I like to do those things too, but just for a little while, I'm going to say hello in a different way. Let me show you. First, I step back and I wave, hello. Now let's try this at home. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Step back and hello. Did you do it? You did? Great job, everyone. And I know it's not going to be long, and soon we'll all be able to give our friends a great big hug again. Great job, everybody. Remember, stay safe, stay clean, and I'll see you really soon. Bye, everyone.